In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jump cut on Capcut. If you're looking to master this popular editing technique, you're in the right place. Whether you're new to video editing or a seasoned creator, learning how to efficiently make jump cuts can greatly enhance your video's flow and keep your audience engaged. Let's take it step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up the Capcut app on your device. Once you have Capcut open and running, it's time to start a new project. To do this, simply tap on the New Project button. You'll then be prompted to import the video clip you'd like to work with. Choose the video from your library that needs some jump cut magic and import it into your project timeline. Now that you have your video loaded, the next step is to locate the specific sections of your footage where you want to create those jump cuts. So go ahead and begin playing the video. As it plays, keep a keen eye out for moments where cutting out a section could give the video a smoother or more dynamic flow. Once you find such a spot, pause the playback right at the beginning of the part you want to jump from. With your video paused, it's time to split the clip. Select the clip in the timeline and then tap on the split option. This will divide your video at the exact point where you paused it. You'll notice this creates two separate clips on your timeline, effectively marking the beginning of your jump cut. Next, you'll need to find the point where you want your jump cut to end. Move a bit further along in your video to the point where you want the next clip to start. Again, select the video and use the split tool to cut the clip at this second point. What you've done here is isolate the section of the video you want to remove. Now just tap on this middle section that you've isolated and hit delete. This action will remove the unwanted segment entirely, creating a seamless transition from the first segment to the next. Before wrapping up, it's a good idea to review the edits you've just made. Play through the jump cut to ensure it looks smooth and visually appealing. If everything is as you envisioned, you're ready for the final step. Exporting your video. Find the export button, tap it, and let Capcut do its thing. Your jump cut video is now ready to share with the world. And there you have it. You've successfully created a jump cut using Capcut. With practice, this editing technique will become second nature, giving your videos that professional, engaging touch. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.